So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go, to basically delete friends on here, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is go locate your friends button in the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you have located that, all you have to do is go to your leaderboards, and right here it will show you all your friends. So as you can see, you have globals, locals, and your friends. So right here in your friends, basically if you want to delete friends, all you have to do is tap on the icon of their of your liking. So let's say you want to remove someone, and all you have to do is press remove right there, and there you go, you have deleted them from your friend list here in Monopoly Go. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do again is go to your friends, leaderboards, and then here you'll locate all your friends. Tap on the person you want to delete on and then press remove, and there you go basically. And that is how you delete friends on Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, I hope you like it, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.